Hi everyone, happy Monday. So this week we're going to talk a little bit about delegation. What is it? Well, in a previous video we talked a little bit about micromanagement and what that is, and more importantly, the detrimental impact that that can have on your staff members. Well, this week we're going to take a look at delegation, which when done correctly can have a real positive impact on your staff. So let's begin by looking at what delegation is. Now, in its most simple form, you may think of delegation as being handing off one task onto someone else. And that can be where the problems arise, because delegation is actually much more than just handing off a task. Try to think of it less about issuing a command and more about offering an opportunity for growth. You may have in your head a number of tasks that you don't like doing and you want to get rid of, or you just don't have time to do. That's a good place to start, but have a conversation with your team and be open to what they say. Ask them, what do you want to do? What's your trajectory? Where do you want to go with your career, with your time here with us? You may be surprised to hear what they have to say. Maybe they're actually keen to take on responsibilities that you weren't necessarily looking to hand over. But seeing that they're passionate and they're eager to take on a different role and more responsibility is something that you should praise. And why not give it a go? If you feel like they're up to the task, then why not? And even if you don't think they are, well, maybe consider training. Maybe consider putting them on a course to get them to the point where they can take on that responsibility. You always want your staff to be striving for more, striving for growth. Doing that keeps them engaged, and when they're engaged, they're going to perform at a higher level. If you keep them in a little box doing the same thing all the time, they're going to get groggy, they're going to get disappointed. So when you come to delegate and delegate properly, well, now you might just go and inspire your team at the same time. So I hope that makes sense for you. I hope you've got something from that and you can now go and start delegating appropriately. So thanks for listening. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and I'll speak to you again next week.